Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Hormel Foods. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Hormel Foods is a Fortune 500 company within the packaged foods and meats industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.6%. Earnings growth, 0.2%. Earnings estimates, 8.5%. Return on capital, 14.84%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.72 years. Share buybacks, no. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.11%. Payout ratio, 56.53%. Growth rate, 10.46%. Growth years, 21 years. That gives Hormel Foods 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Hormel Foods is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Hormel Foods in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.